Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So, of course, in your MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra device you have your flagship components, but sometimes the device is starting to slow down, and now I'll tell you about why Razr device can slow down and why our Razr device can work slower and how we can improve the performance of our device. So there are several reasons of why a device is starting to slow down. First reason is because you have no too much space to work in normal mode. So remember the one rule: never fill up your internal storage over than 70%. And the second aspect that can slow down device is the lack of RAM. And of course the third aspect is the junk files, and we will see on all of these items in this video. So firstly, open settings and let's check our storage. As you can see, I have used only 8%. And I have 236 gigabytes free, and it means then somewhere here, I think, here is the 70% point, and if you will fill up over this point, your device will start to slowing down. So if you have filled over the 70, you need to free up the space, so remove unused apps, remove unused games, remove old files from your Explorer, and in this way you will make your device faster. Okay. Second aspect is a lack of RAM. So you can click About Phone on your device, and here you will see the information about your device, and here in the hardware information you can see how much RAM do you have. But if you will try to find RAM size here, it's only here we have. So unfortunately, maybe we have no information about how much RAM we are using at this time, but don't matter about it. 8 gigabytes of RAM is really great amount of RAM. Android can work with 8 gigabytes and can't work with more RAM. But to remove apps from RAM, if you have noticed that your device is starting slowing down, so just click on the square button on your screen and remove all apps from RAM. That's it. And the third aspect is the old files. And to remove old files from your device, you need to open MotoSecure. Click Continue, Privacy, Next. Great. And in MotoSecure, maybe not the MotoSecure. Maybe I have lost in these tips. So great. So maybe not in the MotoSecure. So if you have the trash remove, junk files removing feature in MotoSecure, so you can do it using the MotoSecure application. But unfortunately I have no this feature here, but I remember that earlier this function was available in this device. But if you have no this function in the MotoSecure application, this feature was moved to the files. So open files, open clean, and here you will see the junk files. Click clear junk files, clear, wait a while, and great, I have cleared junk files from my device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.